Hello. Sound check. Hello. Hello. 1 2 1 2 1 2. I want to start. 1 2. Sound check. Hello. Yes. Okay. We are super live. Let me mute my YouTube channel. Let me keep an eye on the chat. You never know when people start watching, right? That could be a thing. That people start watching. Wouldn't that be amazing? Wouldn't that be like a party if we had some viewers? Welcome to episode 8 of Good Show. Let me give myself a good shout out. Welcome to episode 8 of Good Shot Crypto. This is kind of like a daily diary about my mission to use the last hour of my waking existence every day to grow my fortune from $100 to $1 million in crypto. So that's 10k ETH or a little under 10k ETH the way things are going right now. That's my main goal. Take $100 in USDT, bop, grow it to 10k ETH or $1 million, right? Whatever the course may be when I finish. So let me invite some people on the Facebooks. Let me say episode 8 is live now. Join me. So I've been day trading. Well, day trading, swing trading, maybe 2 hours a day on my lunch break and on the after 1 o'clock every evening. Just after the closing candle for the day. I've been looking at my stocks. I've been my bags. I've been looking at my I'm so tired. This is not going to be a good show. Might be a good show. I don't know. We'll see. An hour before I go to bed, I just move some coins around, and then I see if I regret that in the afternoon following that evening. Okay, so episode 8 is here. Join me live. Okay, put that mother on Facebook. Now I'm gonna swing over to Twitter, to the Twitter space, and I'm gonna hit that Twitter up. Get me some. I need to get me some Brave in this mother. I like using Twitter on Brave. Brave. There you are, Brave. There you are. Okay, let me get back to YouTube so I can see what is happening. Ooh, we have a viewer. We have a viewer. Don't be shy. Say something in the chat. I enabled chat this time. I just found out like that the first 4 episodes I didn't have chat enabled, but now it is. So if you want to ask me a question or if you want to just share some cool ideas, you can do that. If you're watching a replay of this video, then feel free to leave a comment. Also, while you're here, hit that subscribe button, leave a like if you can. I'd be super elated if I could get some more followers on this channel, and maybe one day this can be a serious crypto channel. I don't know. Let's see. I'm not that serious of a person. Episode 8 of Good Shot Crypto. Hashtag live. Good Shot Crypto. Join me. Swing trading. $100 all the way up to $1 million in 100 days. Okay, so yesterday I calculated that the first 7 days of trading yielded me 77% in gains positively. So I calculated that I needed 126 days in total, which means that there would be 119 days left for me to make $1 million, but that's 19 days over time budget, because time is the most valuable asset on this planet. Don't get me twisted. Don't get it wrong. Understand that time is precious, and the only thing we have is time. Everything else is fictional. 19 days, I need to shave that off. So I need to have a couple of 120% weeks. So this week, it's very important for me to start off on the right foot. I need to keep an eye on CoinGecko, see what the movement is of all these coins, how to protect my bags, how to shift funds from one bag to another, just trying to keep my money as active as possible and to minimize losses. I'm going to have to learn about the stop limit on Binance, how to use that like a pro, because I understand how it works from a pressing buttons perspective, but I don't know how to make sure my bottom line scales up with potential growth, because I don't want to go up like 40% and then have my stop limit say, okay, get out at this 40-cent level while I'm already up at 8 euros, right? Or $8 for a certain crypto. So I need to find out how I can scale my stop limit along with my actual position on the chart, so that I don't miss out on ultra gains by forgetting about my stop limit, that it's still set to like a newbie level. Don't want to do that. Okay, tweet. Okay, so we dumped a tweet. We dumped a tweetor. Let's see what we are doing. I need to open Evernote really fast. Evernote. Okay, here we are. Bring that back. So yesterday we closed the day. Let me see my daily record. We closed the day at 173. We opened it at 177. That's why I claimed 77% growth. Actually, it was 73 because I closed the week here. But yeah, it's arbitrary whether I... well, it doesn't actually matter because this was like 1 hour after this. So who cares? I did it. Let's go to my spot wallet on Binance. Oh, yes. Okay. $18 gains today. 91%. 91% in 8 days growth. So that's, yeah, that's dope as fuck. Let me talk to you about the trades I made today, earlier today, a bit later. Let me go over my bags really quick so you know what I'm interested in if this is the first time watching. I watched a lot of videos by Elio Trades, by Crypto, by BitBoy Crypto, by DataDash, and these are some of the projects that they recommend in their videos. Now, I am not a financial advisor. I know nothing about finance. This is literally the first time in my life that I have a mission to do something on an exchange like this. Never had any inkling of interest. I did a little bit of crypto trading in 2017. I had 250 euros invested. It went all the way up to 2,000. I thought it was the shit. It crumbled to 1,000. I neglected it. Years later, I needed some money for Warhammer. I needed some plastic crack in my veins. I needed some the new Indomitus box. And I took out the last of my crypto, and there was like only like $180, $190 left, and I bought Indomitus for that. So I lost my money over the course of a couple of. It was this March when I took out all my shit. That would have been I could have been back at 2,000 already if I just left it there, but I wanted that plastic rack. So that's the life of a model maker junkie. That's just how it is. So it kind of motivated me to get back into crypto because I saw a lot of people in the streets talking about how bullish crypto was and that it was 2017 again, but this time bigger and better. So I wanted to get back into crypto. So what I did is I went to YouTube. I saw how unbelievably complex all the videos have gotten with all the technical analysis and the charts and the wedges and the BSIs and the simple moving averages and I don't know all these terms. I I was like, okay, they turned it into like fucking science or something. I'm not gonna do that, I thought. And then I started watching videos, and I was like, okay, if I just kind of understand what they're doing and I'm just following their tips, right? If I only invest $100, that's my whole risk, and the whole thing is about risk management, right? So even if I grow to like 700,000 and I lose everything, that would be a damn shame, but it wasn't my money to begin with. I just lost $100 if that happens. So I'm fairly confident that I can have a try at this. Everybody's saying that $100 is not enough to create yourself a million from, but I've heard stories that people made 500k out of an initial investment of $500. So if that's possible, then a million should be possible from 100, because like, this is my thinking. On the way from $100 to a million, somewhere in between, there's $500, right? And if $500 can go to 500k, follow me, between $500 and 500k is another $500. So if I do that 2 times, I have a million. So don't talk about things being impossible. I know that they're possible, they're just not likely, and I'm here to have my hand at this not likely task. See how far I can get. Maybe I just get stranded at $2,000. Maybe I wipe out next week. Maybe I wipe out in 10 minutes. You don't know. Anything can happen in a bull market, and everything can happen in a bear market. I know some terms. I'm flaunting my terminology. Yeah, I know the slang. Still don't know what everything means, though. I still can't read a white paper without questioning every sentence. So, yeah, let's get into my my wallet. I have synthetics. That's a bag I'm interested in holding. I have a Polkadot. That's a bag I'm interested in holding. People told me that Polkadot was fire, so dope. Cardano, right? I know that from back in 2017, so it's still here. Good sign, right? I don't know anything about them except that they're mathematicians and they do mathy stuff in Switzerland with numbers. And they name everything after dead mathematicians and philosophers, so that's cool. So like Ada, that's for Ada Lovelace, like one of the first computer scientists on the planet, kick-ass woman that made I think Turing machines or something. I don't know what she did. I need to Google what Ada Lovelace did, but it was something with numbers and something I don't understand. Then there is Thorchain. Seems to be very cool. So I'm putting down the hammer on Thorchain soon once I build out these bags. You see these bold words are bags I am already holding, and the non-bold fonts are bags I'm aiming to start soon. So today, no, let me start. Let me do this differently. Yesterday I bought some Zcash, and I had some Compound, but Compound was slowing down. It was going beast mode yesterday, but it was slowing down. So I decided this afternoon to open up I think a Ren wallet and put the rest of it in Polkadot and Kusama. So let me see what I can pull up right here. Let me refresh. Let me do a scary thing. If it's less than 91, my thumbnail makes no sense anymore. Did I lose money? I made money. Did you see that? Bomb. $3 on top. Yeah, and the time I made a thumbnail, I earned $3. That's... Dude, I know that's not even minimum wage, but I didn't spend that long on a thumbnail, and the thumbnail is kick-ass, so that's a gain. So also, I'm not only doing this video to get $1 million. I'm doing this series of videos to prove to myself that I can do a consistent thing for 100 days, even if it takes a lot of energy. And so far I've managed to do 8 episodes, but daily, so I think that's cool. Yeah, and so 92 days to go, and we're 92 days away from having a million here. Now I live in Holland, so once I have a million, I actually have to pay like 61% in tax. Once I try to liquidate it. Is that a word, or does that mean murder people? I'm not going to murder people. I'm just going to try and liquidate my money. What I want to do ideally is I want to put a million on the bank, right? Then pay my taxes and stake half of my earnings. Stake half of my earnings, earn like 23% annual percentual yield. Is that the word? Is that what these flashy bankers are doing? And half of it I want to invest in my business. I have a dodgy operation where I sell 3D printable miniatures for war games, and I want to add a couple of factions, and that's very expensive to have a whole faction created. You need to pay so many sculptors, you have to pay artists, and I already have one faction, but I want more factions. So this is my motivation for getting that million. I just need I need about 250 euros, 250,000 euros to further develop my company. Maybe do a couple of Kickstarters, have fun, live a nice life. If you want to buy some minis, go to 40emperor.com. That's 40emperor.com, and you can buy some nice kick-ass female miniatures, some non-sexualized, very aggressive looking females with chainsaw swords. Fucking nice. So what has been growing? Let me go over all of my assets first. I want to give you the percentual breakdown. So I took the top off of comp because it wasn't monstering anymore, and I put that in Kusama and I put that in DOT. So now DOT is by far the biggest. It was like 22% or something, 28% yesterday. It's 38% right now. So I added to that. Comp was 22, so I took the top 7% off and distributed it over the other two coins. I have Solana. We dug into Solana yesterday, I think, to feed Kusama, and I think we dug into SNX the day before that to open up Kusama and Ren. I think that's what happened because I don't watch my own episodes. I just do shit. And I think this is very nice. Over the last, 7 days? Over the last 7 days, I had a 41% growth considering all the dips. But based on my actual bottom line, I have a 93% growth. Because there's also the $30 in there that I earned from doing little micro tasks on Coinbase? Yeah, Coinbase/learn. There's a link for it in the description. If you fill that out, you immediately get the opportunity to earn 50 XLM, 80 Polkadot, I think, 80 compound. So like not 80 compound, like 40 compound or something. There's a 164 in bonuses that you can unlock just by watching tutorials and answering a couple of quizzes, sending a couple of emails, little tasks, and they deposit right straight into your Coinbase. And the cool thing is that you can just crush everything to a single altcoin and send it over to your Binance. Also, if you like the way the Binance looks and if you think this interface is something you could work with and you're interested in trying this out, I'm not a financial advisor. Don't repeat anything I say. Don't try to emulate any of my strategies because I do a lot of wet finger work. It's all based on what people on YouTube say. That's not a smart strategy, but it is my strategy, and I'm just going to have fun with that because I give fuck all about money. It would be cool if I had more money because, just as I said, then I would be able to invest more in my business and make even more money. But I don't really care about money. I just want to paint figures, have fun with my family, smoke crack, and talk shit. That's basically who I am as a person. So yeah, if you like Binance, there's a link in the description, and if you open that link and you click on the link, then I will share my commission with you, because though it's the internet, I'm trying to take a commission on everything I push. Get it. But Binance is fun. I'm not gonna lie, Binance is good fun. I like the way it works. I like the way trading works. I like the way my data is visualized. And as I said, I'll share my commission with you. I set the meter to share 10%. I get 10% of my 20% commission. You get 10% of my 20% commission. And I think the commissions are based on the transaction fees you have after you start trading. So for you, it would be a cashback. For me, it would be a commission. And then we both make gains. We both make insane gains. Okay, let's go. See a nice growth here. It's updated until yesterday. So I want to keep this peak going up. And what I need to do is I need to have a couple of weeks where I grow 120%, and the rest of the weeks I can grow 70 to 75%. And then I'll make $1 million within 100 days. Now, there's a good chance it won't happen, but there's a very big opportunity here with this extension of the bull market, which people are telling me that's happening right now, that we're actually going to go do something like, look at that Bitcoin, man. I need to refresh this. Probably 37,000 now when I refresh. No, it's going strong. It's going pretty strong. So it went to 40K today, I think. What is today's high? Today's high is not listed. Yeah, there it is. 40K. So it went to 40K again. It touched it. So I think that 40K is called resistance. I don't know for sure, but I think that 40K is the resistance for this today. We don't know what's going to happen, because like in 2017, I don't know anything. Let me say this first. I don't know anything about patterns, but what I remember from my Blockfolio and my Binance back in the day, we had a double peak right here. I don't know how to zoom. Oh wait, I do. I've seen this in a video. So this is 2017. I'm zooming in. We had a double peak. And here I was like, yeah, I'm on top of the world. I got $2,000. And he was like, what the fuck? Why is there only 1,200 left? Thank God I'm back on 800. And then, oh no, I'm on 1,000. Let me park it in Cardano or something. And I parked it in Cardano and I forgot about it. And then the whole market crashed. The whole market crashed for years on end. I don't know if that's called crashing or correcting or whatever fancy term the shills have for it. But this happened. And then in March, yeah, there exactly. I had $190. And I was like, fuck this whole crypto shit. It ain't never going to take off. And if I wouldn't have done that, I would have had $2,000 already. But here, what I'm saying is here, there's another peak. I don't know if this bull run should be compared with the bull run from 2013. I don't know if this bull run should be compared with the bull run from, like this 2013. I don't know if this should be compared to anything else. But like, as you see, there's always double tips. There's double tips before the big crash. So I don't want to be a conspiracy motherfucker, because I don't understand it yet. But this to me looks like there's a double tip and another 3-year bear market, or 3-year bear market, a 3-year period where you won't hear people in the streets talking about Kitcoin or crypto. So I don't know. Let's see what happens. If you look at it like this, it looks way more impressive. But yeah, this could very well be another peak and then some whole bullshit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just invest in the coins that the YouTubers that I follow say are coins that have strong technology, because I think that if you put money towards projects that are technically good, even though I might not make my 100-day target, if I just leave my crypto 5 years from now, I could be on $190 again, right? So in the scope of things. That's not too bad. Okay. Take my candies. I have 400 candies on CoinGecko. So that means that I have, what is this? 6, 7. I have 14 days of consecutive presence on CoinGecko. So one of these days I can buy myself a coupon for some shit I don't need, because that's I don't understand the point of their loyalty program. They're just programming me, like creating a Pavlov thing to make me come back every day, because I want to see like an ungodly amount of candies there, which buy me exactly nothing. They're only triggers to make purchases, so they get a commission or something, which is cool because I'm learning how to do this. It's perfect. I'll apply that for my e-commerce too, man. Come back every day, collect some candies, and then at the end you can have a 15% discount or something and make you work for that discount. You believe you earned it, and then you buy something off of me, and then I make you my biatch, and I get your money. I put it in my pocket, and then I smoke some crack from the profits. No, I'm not promoting smoking actual crack. I'm just a weird person. This has nothing to do with drugs, and I don't use any drugs. I'm just weird. Let's go. Okay, so Ethereum is doing marvelously. Marveloso. 10% gain. Little dip right now. Big dip in 2 days. Polkadot, absolutely through the roof. Through the roof, 31%. So Polkadot is the main mother in my bag, in my portfolio. So it's very important for me to create a stop loss whenever Polkadot falls below, because I bought it. When did I buy it? I bought it several days ago. I bought it, let's put this on the 7-day chart. So I think I bought it here. Yeah, right? Can we agree that I bought it on the 13th? Maybe I bought it here. Yeah, that's where. In one of these dips. That's where I got in. And it did this, right? So the bulk of what I have is in this move. So ideally I don't want to fall below. I don't want to fall. What is this price point? I can't even move need to go to the 24-hour chart to see if I can move it. So I don't want to fall below $13.57, because that is where the multitude of my gains are. But if I sell it, where do I move it to? Because let me see the course of the dollar, because I think the dollar is crashing. So that means that USDC and USDT also become less valuable. So dollar course, bomb. Yeah. Accept all. I said accept all. Why won't you let me accept that I accept? Something wrong with this browser again. Okay, let me just look at it. The USD is at how many euros? Okay. Let me switch that around, yo. Accept all. Now it works. Had to refresh. Okay, so okay, so it gained a cent, because it was like at 81 cents all month, I think, and then I was afraid it was going to go to 79 cents and that it would cause havoc. Dude, why does this swing so much? It's trying to behave like crypto. It's fake. They're trying to behave like crypto. Let me see. Let me show me a month, motherfucker. Yeah, so in a month it went from 123 to 121. That's a $3 difference in value in just a couple of days. So if I park my money into USDC or USDT, I would subject my money to these fluctuaciones, which I don't like. But it's important to protect my dot. And if I buy USDC or USDT, I can always put it back into DOT once it recovers from a crash, like I feel is going to happen in a day or two. But as I said, I need to know if I put my stop limit here and this thing goes up all the way to my bookmarks, if it goes up to the top of the screen, and I still have my stop limit here, then I can lose everything all the way back down. So I need to either learn how to take profits before it moons, so I get a little bit of the action, or I need to find out if I can put my stop limit on a string and drag it around behind me and set it at like 15% from the last all-time high or something, like a 50% drop, and then cash out. I don't know how to do that. Okay, so Polkadot is in my bag. Sorry, in my portfolio. Polkadot is a bag I have in my portfolio. Let me see my fiat and my spot. Oh man, another $2. It's getting hot. It's getting hot in here. We might break 200 on the show. We might double up on episode 8, which would be fucking amazeballs. It will be amazeballs. Okay, so the next is Compound. I also want to know how much Compound I have, but let's start with Polkadot. That's 5.1. I can remember 5.1. Let me go. How much DOT did I have? 5.1. I'm not totally demented. Lego. Oh, I have 75 euro, 75,000. Sorry, 75. I'm so tired. It's so late. It's 2 a.m. and it's almost 2:30 in the AMs. 75 US dollars on the DOT. I got mad DOT, yo. I got mad DOT. Compound. I got the Compound in the mouse button. So let me see what they do. They do 30 USD. Okay. And dope. Okay, so I got Solana. I got 6.3 Solana. And a little bit of SNX on my side. A little bit Solana. La 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 la. Okay, so Compound is not doing that hot, but it's all green. It's all green. It might do some monstering tomorrow again. I don't know. This wouldn't be a bad point to sell it though. Let me be honest. As I got in that Solana somewhere, where was it? The 13th also. It got in here. And then it did this. And I could have cashed out there, but I didn't. I decided to write it. And now it looks like this Head and Shoulders thing, which is going to go down in a couple of days. And I don't know, yo. But maybe this isn't what a Head and Shoulders graph looks like. This could be like an extension of this. And we could see some more higher highs and higher lows and other bullshit like that. I have no clue what this pattern means. I don't even see a pattern. I should probably look at the candles. Yeah, it looks bullish. I should probably draw a couple of triangles and decide where it starts breaking down. If I drew a triangle, I would it would start breaking down right here, right? So maybe this is a good moment to get out. Get out! Because look at this. That's a whole day wasted. That's like, what is this? 8 hours wasted. And time is precious, people. Time is the most precious asset. But still, right? It does this. Blah, 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 blah. So let me go back to the graph. That's how the good life is. Okay, so let's remind ourselves later. Solana has only grown 4.5% in a whole day. So, oh, sorry, Compound. We need to look at SNX. So Compound could be taking a walk later on, and we could fill one of our slider bags. Oh no, SNX, don't do this to me. SNX, don't do this to me. Yo, SNX, what are you doing? What are you doing, SNX? So if I leave my SNX right now, I'll leave it at 13th. What was you on the 13th? I'd leave it at a little profit, but the profit would go away if I start trading it. But still, okay, so SNX, SNX, I want you as a coin. I'm not gonna lie, I want you as a coin. So I'll leave the money in. I'll just fucking relax. I just won't put anything in there, right? I can do that. I can stay calm. I cannot panic sell. I can do it. That's what I keep telling myself. So the Kusamas and 32 Ren. How much Zen? Zek? Okay, let's do Kusama first. Kusama. Okay. 4% growth, not hurting me, not earning anything for me. How much Kusama do I have? I have 15 euros of Kusama. Okay, so I could put the compound into Kusama. I can definitely do that. Then nothing would change. And what is the market cap for this coin? It's already very big. Maybe I'll leave it in compound. I think compound was a little smaller. So growth would mean more percentage wise. Yeah, growth is like 1/7 of what Kusama is compound. So when moon, huh? When moon. Does that make sense, or am I just saying shit? If that doesn't make sense, leave a comment in the description. Got me some Ren and I got me some Zcash. Ren. And let's not make the mistake of looking at the wrong Ren, because that makes me feel like a stimpy. Okay, so Ren is doing that dance, that money dance for me. Ren is making me guap. Okay, Zcash. How much Ren did I have? I had what 6 cents? This can't be wrong. Oh, I had 32 Ren, right? 32 Ren. That's $15. 32 Ren is $15. Yeah, that seems about right. $15. And then Zcash. Zcash. Oh. Let's go. Let's go. Zcash is hurting me. Why is Zcash hurting me? Why are you hurting me? Did Da Vinci set me up for a pump and dump? He recommended this on the crypto channel. But we're not doing too hot, are we? This might be... Did it ever do this before? I did it here. I did the exact same movement here a couple of days back. It might as well grow. I might leave it and not panic sell. How many Zcash does one have? Almost 15. Okay. Okay. I should probably sell. I got in at this on the 14th. Oh, I bought the top because I'm a retard. I totally bought the top. Okay, so I need to hodl until I reach this $118. But it still hasn't reached its all-time high. It might be a very nice price for this coin. I'll just leave it. I'll just see what happens. I'll leave it. So that is what I have in my wallet. I'm very interested in holding more BNB. So I'll do the majority of my trades in BNB, and everything I have something left, I'll leave it in BNB, just to remind me that I need to put money into BNB. The Bitcoin I'll leave. Won't crush it. It's only 6 cents or something. I can only lose money on crushing it into BNB. I need to grow my portfolio, so I think that Comp wasn't moving that hard. Kusama is at a discount right now. SNX is at a discount right now, but Comp is making me more money than SNX, so I don't want to do that. Maybe I should just leave Comp. I should just leave Comp one day. Maybe I shouldn't touch anything today. Maybe that's a good decision. But standing still is losing money though. Okay, let me see in my notes what coins I was interested in, because maybe I can take some comp and put it into one of these. Like, can I trade ramp though? No. Alliance block, no. Keeper DAO, Archer DAO, probably not. Injective, no. Injective protocol, injective. Let me see if you have some injective. Yeah, they have injective. Let's see what injective is doing. ATM, injective protocol, 6.9%. That's faster than comp though, but it's also it's good. It's growing. It's nice. 90 days. Are you steady? I'll be buying it at the top, I think. 5.7% away. So 5 hours ago it had its all-time high. I'd be totally buying the top. But just like Kusama, I probably wish I'd buy here, right? I wish I could buy it at €6. Okay, sorry, injective. I do not have the cojones today to fucks with y'all. Hedgic. You got me some Hedgic, Binance. Hedgic. Hedging magic. Hedgic. Have you mooned already? 8 days ago was its all-time high, so that's not good. That's no good. Will you do it again though, Hedgic? Everybody feels happy about it. Can I move you to BNB? No, probably not. Let's see what happens if I hit this trade button. Do you have BNB? No, you don't. Okay, so I'm too pussy to go for injective. I don't like the look of Hedgic because I feel that it might have mooned already. Let's look at that market cap. Trading volume, that's a low trading volume. Market cap might be small. 82 million. About 8 times smaller than Kusama. So a little move makes me a lot of guap, but it also can cost me a lot of guap. It fell 20% in 8 days. Maybe that's a correction. Maybe that's a correction of sorts, and it's on the way up. It could be on the way up. Let me consider Hedgic. Okay. Rev ain't on Binance yet. It's a Qcoin thing, but let me check it because I invested $14 or $15 into Rev on Qcoin. I'm not holding it right now here on Binance, but they'll soon be on Binance, which might do wonders for the price. It's growing 6.3%. Okay, so I bought the here, 7 days chart. I bought the Rev here, so I should have made a couple of gains on the 14. So we went from 0.47 cents all the way up to 0.7. That's a 20% gain. It's 14% gain over 7 days. I don't know, man. I don't know. Yawn. I could be sitting on $17 on Qcoin. Could be sitting on $17 on Qcoin. I don't know. Could be. But it stems from an original 23. I just smacked on there because I won the friendship lottery and my price was 25 euros and I put it on Qcoin. So I'm still at a loss on Qcoin. But who cares? Who cares? Okay, that fist bump. Yeah, fist bump. 17 days ago it mooned. Let me see the 30 die. But this is moon for you. Are you close? Will you do it again? Will you do it again? Look, it only moons. It only moons when Bitcoin is on fire. And when Bitcoin takes a shit, this also takes a shit. So, what was it? Where was the big Bitcoin dip? That was here, right? Jan 7th. I don't know. It looks kind of steady though. It doesn't. I don't know. It looks kind of steady though. And there's a W upside down. It's a upside down M. Probably means something, but then it says bop here, right? Bop. I don't know what that means for the future. I don't know what it means for the future. But hey, let me check out Kusama one more time. Kusama, yep. 8,000% in a year. Kusama is crazy. Kusama is crazy, yo. It's fucking amazing, yo. Oh, and it's going up again, yo. Let me put my guap in. Let me fuck this compound. And no, be strong. Do not fuck all the compound. Let's fuck a little bit of the compound. Let's fuck 0.05, 0.1545. And let's put it in Kusama. Trade. BNB. Even though it has 4% growth. Compound will moon immediately after me selling half of it. Oh, it makes no sense because I'm stupid. Okay. I'm going to go to 60 because you know what getting greedy means. It means missing sales. Chang. Sell half my compound, mine. Here goes. I'll have my order filled in a second. And it's gone. Now I'm going to buy Kusama for my BNB. Kusama. KSM. And know that there are many Bitcoin rip-off coins, but Kusama is mine. La 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 la. I wanna buy Kusama coin. I wanna buy it all because that's who I am. Kusama. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, flu. Are you selling it at this price? I don't want to give you that. I'll give you 45 because greed isn't neat. Squirty, snurdy, purdy. What did I do? Why am I not on the list? Oh, it fulfilled immediately. Somebody saw it, they clicked it, and bam, I am in the Kusamas. Let me go to that order history. It went so fast, I thought that I was retarded. Oh, it just went, homie. It just went. Okay, so we have 8 days of trade, so a week should show the majority of the trades that I make. Can I export this? That all filled, partially filled, all filled. Okay, cool. All filled. How do you export your trade list? I think that's important for the tax office. Exporting trade list. I didn't make that many transactions here. I must have made the majority of the transactions on day 1. It's very hard looking at this the way it is. Okay. So I think I sold the majority of things I had in the profit except for the first 3 days. Was making losses. Let's go to my fiat and my spot. It will give me an update on what I spent. I spent 80 cents. I spent 80 cents on trading. Let's hope that that trade made me money. I left half of my compound back here. And compound and Zcash are not on my, are they? Oh yeah, Zcash is. Okay, these are on my, this is my bag list. This is what I'll be building out. And then these are the ones that I will do. I will do trading with. I'll do day trading with these. So I can do Hedgic, I can do Injective Protocol. Let's make these fat and green. So I remember that these are nice prospects for day trading. Can I change the color? I can. It's so much fun. I love Evernote. I just love me some Evernote. Real amazing. Let me open the daily record because I forgot and we can't start making mistakes. So on 191. And if you like Binance, there's an affiliate link in the description. If you open the description, you'll see the link. If you click it, you can sign up to Binance. You can have the same amount of fun as I am having, or more. Or you can just ignore that link and not do it. But if you do, I get a 10% commission. You get 10% cash back, I think, over your transactions. So we both profit. And yeah, hitting subscribe is the most meaningful thing that I could ask somebody to do, because that gains me another subscriber and it gains me my influence, and one day people will come in the chat and they will start giving me super chats. $3, $2, $5, the occasional $7, and then I'd be bathing in Guap. Oh, so much digital money, and it would go right into crypto, and then straight to the tax office. Bam. That's how we do, because we work for the state. If you're Dutch, you work for the state. Every 60 cents out of every euro is for the state. 60% of my time I spend in the office is for the state. 60% of the time that I try to monetize my hobbies is for the state. That's how it goes here. That's what it do. That's what they do. They say, no, there's only 21% tax over the first $20,000 or euros. Above that, there's like 45% tax over the next 20,000. And then, when you get serious money, when you work hard, they want everything. And what do they do with it? Let's not make it political. I don't understand if they can just print cash, right, to bail out all these failing European countries, or bail out all these American financial institutions that we're tied to because of business relations. Then why can't they just print the money that I owe them and pay themselves, right? There should be a lottery based on your identification number or something, or your personal identification number on your passport or something. And if you win it, you never have to pay tax again. They just pay tax on your behalf with the fake money they print all the time. That could be cool. Like every year, 100 Dutch people win not having to pay tax ever again. That would be fucking kick-ass. That would be kick-ass. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, this is not going back to 194 real quick, so I might have to change my thumbnail to reflect 94% growth rather than 99% growth. But hey, who knows? Who knows what the future holds? Boom. You know what I wish there was? I wish there was a way for people to pay on my website in crypto, and that I wouldn't get USDT. I would just get fucking euros. No euro stable coin, no bullshit. I just want euros on my fucking buying. So I could just fill in what I needed on my bank after each purchase, and then people could just put their crypto in, and I get that real dollars. Then I could just sell my shits to the crypto peeps, because I know there must be a lot of hobbyists and people who like 3D printing in crypto, because it's so techy. You need to be so tech savvy to fucks with the crypto, and you need to be so tech savvy to fucks with 3D resin printing, because you need to be able to change a LCD screen once it burns out, or you need to be confident that you know how bottom exposure time works for a different type of resin, or you need to fix all these metrics, and crypto is also fixing metrics. So yeah, I think there's a lot of overlap in these real mad nerd type of hobbies that I am attracted to. I love these hobbies. So yeah, I think it's time for me to knit an end to the show. I think dot flipped XRP. What does this mean? Okay, so I'm on Twitter right now. I'm watching some tweets. This is totally not educational. Oh, what is this? 5 hours, one person gets 33 retweet. So yeah, that's something I want to talk about. Maybe I retweeted 100 of these tweets that say I get free money if people retweet, and they're giving money to people who retweet, and then how do you know that they'll ever actually give the money? Because I offered $10 and nobody retweeted me, and I was super willing to give the money. Does that make me a noob? Does it make me a noob that I was willing to give the money? These people are just growing their Twitter account, just saying that they'll give money, getting thousands of retweets, growing their account really fast. I bet they never ever give anybody anything. Fucking scammers. I also hate scammers on Facebook. Facebook groups are ruined. Crypto Facebook groups are dead. You shouldn't go near them. It's just all these idiotic spammers that think that you can that they will talk you out of your crypto with a stupid message they're repeating over and over. Send 50 ETH to this account and we will send you 100 ETH. Like, what, homie, what? Or send me like I don't know, what was it? Like 100 Cardanos, and we will send you 5 million Cardanos. That looks tempting to retards. Maybe you're not getting my guap. I highly doubt that you'll ever see anything again if you send these people anything. So I will never ask you for your WhatsApp, unless I think we can make money together, and I'll ask you, not in a Facebook group. I'll like, hey, homie, you make beautiful miniatures. Can I buy those off you? Right? Can I have your WhatsApp? Or hey, do you want to join my affiliate program? Sell some miniatures for me. Can I have your WhatsApp? That could be something I ask, but I'll never ask you for your WhatsApp in a Facebook group. Say, hey, can I have your number so I can send you some nice spam hustles, and then you just send me all of your Ethereum, and I will double it. No, that's not my game, mate. That's not my game. I wish I found a site that could be a payment terminal on my Shopify site. Yeah, should I look for that real quick and then end the show, because we're already in it an hour. I think an hour is very nice length of time to end the show on, especially as it's 2:45 a.m. right here. Let me open a terminal and let me say crypto to euro Shopify. Let's see if that That's a thing. And if it's not out there and you're mad elite with blockchain coding stuff, make that. Make that. I would install it on my site in a minute. I would fucking pay 15 euros a month just to have the app. Crypto, valuta, Shopify Center. Don't want to sell my shit. And selling and getting paid in different currencies. Shopify. Show prices in customers' local currency. I don't need that. Is your local currency crypto? Here. Oh, easily and add multiple currencies. When I learn with the push of a button, start selling internationally like a pro and encourage your customers to buy. This could be something, man. This could be something. Automatically convert process. The process convert automatically based on your customer's location. This creates a pleasant and easy shopping experience for your customers. I just don't want the price to change on my site. I just want to receive euro. I don't give a fuck about no dollar. I don't give a fuck about no yen. I don't want no RMB. I ain't interested in no Bitcoin. I don't want no Ethereum. I want cold hard euros. I want that fantasy money. I want that dirty fantasy money in my account, man. I want that blue and yellow. I want that blue and yellow, them greens, them purples, them big ass bills, those crispy euro bills, yo. About currency converter. This is how it works. Works with any team. Okay, I don't care. Auto select currency based on customer location. Beautiful design. I don't care. Price configuration. Removing price decimals is as easy as pie. Do that so your customers can see beautifully converted price like 3 euros instead of 3 euros and 41 blah 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 blah. Our app informs your customers. Since Shopify doesn't allow us to convert the prices on the checkout page, we came up with a few ways to inform your customers of this. Either with a custom message, some bullshit, that's some conversion killer right there. This doesn't work probably. Look at their graphics. They don't have money to buy a visual artist. Let me look at this. Then ask somebody on Fiverr to do it. Some bullshit. This is some complete bullshit. This is not what I need, man. Crypto. Crypto is a form of digital virtual money that comes immediately from a person and is sent to another person through the internet. Crypto money offers the next. Okay, so maybe Shopify just accepts crypto as is. It provides the next benefits for fast transactions, low administration costs. That's some bullshit. No cashbacks. Okay, cool. That's cool. That's really cool. International transactions. Conversion at all to okay. Put one or payment providers: Shopify, Coinbase, Commerce, BitPay, GoCoin. Dope. Fuck this shit, man. Yeah, that's what I mean. Coinbase, Commerce, GoCoin. Every time a customer makes a purchase, you will have transaction fees being billed to you. Unless you also have Shopify payment. I have Shopify payments. That's cool. So no transaction fees for me. No transaction fees for me, except multiple cryptocurrencies in your Shopify store with Coinbase Commerce. Within just a few minutes, you'll be accepting cryptocurrency by following these simple steps. Sign up for Coinbase Commerce, create a Coinbase Commerce API key, add Coinbase Commerce to your Shopify store. Follow the instructions to get started. After verifying your email address, adding two-step verification, and securely storing your seed phrase, you're ready to start accepting cryptocurrency payment. But I don't need no cryptocurrency payments. I need cold hard euros being deposited into my bank from people who try to pay with them cryptos. Why isn't there like something like XLM in the middle? Like you pay with your crypto, XLM. That's some Rev, or that's some Ripple. I don't need Ripple. Ripple. Or BSV. I don't want that. Give me them Cardanos. And then XLM is like, okay, and it's sending some USDT XLM magic, and then the USDTs become cold hard motherfucking euros that hit my bank account. I don't need no fucking crypto. That's not the mission. The mission is that cold hard real guap, that real world guap, that old school coin, the old coin, the fiat. I want to go from a fiat to a fucking Rari, right? Same factory, different car, different thing. And then I can have the cryptos here on my show and just hold the lows those until I get that fuck you Kickstarter money, that life-changing seed money to stake my dreams on, right? I'm just babbling by now. It's way too late. I need to stop the show. But this is worth looking into. Coinbase to your Shopify store. Go to the Shopify. This is how it works. Coinbase. Okay, cool. API key. Click save. That's it. Your customers are now able to check out and pay with Bitcoin Cash, DAI, Ethereum, Litecoin, or USD coin. I don't need that. I don't need those. I want euros. Will it get me euros? Shopify integration plugin. Connecting BitPay and Shopify. BitPay. What is the payoff? Nice work. Your customers will now be able to check out with BitPay on your Shopify. I don't need that. I don't need none of that. Go Coin Fresh Desk. I don't want to log in. What is this bullshit? I just want to know what Go Coin Fresh Desk is. The site is down. I'm not installing it down. A site that can't even pay its own bills. Join our 2.6 million vendors and accept 2,000 plus different currencies. Like, this is some dope shit. At Coin Payments Net. Setup also requires you to create a secret. The plugin must now be enabled. Coin Payment should now be set up as an alternative payment method in your Shopify store. And you can start accepting Bitcoin and over 100 other altcoins. And we're talking about 2,000 different altcoins, and this white paper, this Shopify setup instructions, talks about 100 coins. To edit the settings, return to the payment provider screen below. The alternative payment methods box, Coin Payment is now allowed. So the thing is that I don't want to accept crypto. I want my site to process crypto. You as a customer need to be able to pay with crypto. I as a vendor need to get them cold hard euros, irregardless of whatever the course is right now. I just want to put in this product is 52 euros. If you buy it, I get 52 euros, and then on the customer's side, it just changes the value accordingly to the money that I get, and it should calculate slippage and all those other things in there. That would be a kick-ass function to add. I don't think these do that, but it's worth looking at into deeper. It's worth looking at into deep. I'll just keep these links open as I shut down the show. Thank you for watching me. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the comments on the Facebook page. Thank you for the comments below this video, and maybe we can lick the Lambo together. I'm licking the roof. I can almost taste that Lambo. It's coming one day. Did I refresh this already? What's dude, I lost $2. This was a bad trade. So I'm closing at the same level that I'm opening at, and I'm just going to go to bed and accept that this is it for today. I didn't make a move. I did not make a move. I probably need to change my thumbnail, otherwise it would be a big fat lie. But hey, but it's only episode 8, right? And people who watch the episode know that I only made 91%, so I might just leave the thumbnail exactly the way it is, and then just look cool on the internet, right? It's only an $8 difference at this point. That doesn't warrant me making a new thumbnail, but still. Okay. Tomorrow is going to be a high velocity day. I just feel it. And then 2 days from now, my whole portfolio crashes down to shit, and I'm left with 30 euros. I have to hit the bear market with 30 euros. Maybe I need to take out cash right now. Maybe I need to park it. Maybe I need to do some fudding while I sleep, and then panic sell everything tomorrow. Yeah, that sounds like a sound plan. I'll panic sell everything tomorrow because we're as cold as ice. That's it, man. Thank you for watching the show. Want to support the channel, you can hit subscribe, hit like, and leave a comment. That would be amazing. All sorts of cool discounts and whatnots, affiliate links and stuffs in the video description. If you're into that kind of bullshit, hit that shit. Not everything is bullshit in there. I think actually nothing in there is bullshit. I think that everything in there is valid, but you might not be into it, right? So whatevs. Yeah, okay. In the next episode, we'll try and get closer to that 1 million target. That's what we're doing. Okay, thank you very much for joining us. Once more, my name is Crypto Goodshot. No, Goodshot Crypto. I don't know my own branding. I don't know the branding. Goodshot Crypto. Follow me on the Twitter at Goodshot Crypto. And it was very gezellig that you were. See you on the next stream. Bye bye. Yes. Later.